Hi, just a short tip on substantiation. I know that there are times that you're traveling as I am right now, and one of the most important things to sustain a deduction is to maintain current, adequate, contemporaneous documentation. This documentation can be in electronic format through pictures on your iPhone, but what I find is paper is the most magical. When you're meeting an auditor and they question the substantiation. So I'd strongly encourage you to consider still retaining the paper, as well as using the tools available today towards taking photocopies of documents for travel. One of the tips that I could provide is always carry a fistful of $5 bills. $1 bills don't cut it anymore when you travel, and it's important that you have those available because those people that provide service while you are traveling hope and expect that you will be generous in expressing your gratitude towards their effort. Try to keep a contemporaneous log in your own handwriting or making a documentation right in your Outlook calendar. It's a very important first step. So I'd strongly encourage you, if you are going to have out-of-pocket expenses, that you keep track of those. I usually keep in my briefcase a whole section for receipts, so I can just jam them in and have them available for some time in the future. You may wish to choose a different route. You might have a place that you would keep them in your briefcase or a purse if you carry one, or whatever would be available at the moment. But try to keep your receipts. Very important to sustain them under audit. And by doing that, you won't lose precious deductions. These deductions are going to be far more important in the years to come in a series of tax increases that I believe we will all be sustaining. So for now, from Las Vegas, Nevada, I would like to say thank you very much.